Dive into the musical journey of Ella Landley, hits, heritage, and heartstrings. Dive into the mesmerizing world of Ella Landley, a music legend who's revolutionized our playlists. Her voice captivates, her lyrics resonate, and her energy is simply infectious. Discover why everyone is talking about this extraordinary musical force. Ella Landley is more than a name. She's a phenomenon. Her blend of soulful melodies and poignant lyrics has made her synonymous with musical brilliance. With each song, she invites listeners into a world where emotion and artistry converge. Ella's journey began in a small town where her natural talent shone early on. Raised in a family that cherished music, she was encouraged to explore her passion. Her childhood experiences profoundly influenced the artist she would become. Ella's first steps in the music industry were marked by determination and raw talent. She started performing at local venues, slowly building a loyal fan base. Her unique voice and heartfelt performances soon caught the attention of industry insiders. Ella Landley's breakthrough moment came with her hit single that skyrocketed up the charts. This pivotal release showcased her exceptional talent and marked her arrival on the global stage, turning her into an overnight sensation and a household name. Ella Landley's greatest hits have not only dominated the charts, but have also become anthems for a generation. Tracks like Eternal Echoes and Soul Reflections showcase her incredible vocal range and emotional depth, resonating deeply with listeners worldwide. Her iconic albums, including Midnight Melodies and Echoes of Eternity, have left an indelible mark on the music industry. These albums blend innovative sounds with heartfelt lyrics, capturing the essence of human experience and influencing countless artists across various genres. Award-winning tracks like Celestial Symphony and Whispers in the Wind have garnered prestigious accolades. These songs are celebrated for their intricate compositions and powerful storytelling, establishing Ella Landley as a true maestro in the realm of music. Ella Landley's unique musical style seamlessly fuses classical influences with modern pop elements. Her signature sound is characterized by haunting melodies, intricate harmonies, and thought-provoking lyrics, creating a sonic landscape that is both timeless and refreshingly contemporary. Collaborations with renowned artists such as David Harmon and Lila Grace have further cemented Ella's status as a versatile and influential musician. These creative partnerships have resulted in groundbreaking tracks that push the boundaries of conventional music, captivating audiences around the globe. Ella Landley's songwriting process is a testament to her profound creativity and emotional depth. She often draws inspiration from personal experiences, channeling raw emotions into her lyrics. Her ability to craft relatable and poignant stories has captivated audiences worldwide. Her influence extends through numerous collaborations with renowned artists, blending her unique style with diverse musical talents. These partnerships have produced unforgettable tracks, showcasing her versatility and ability to innovate within various genres. Each collaboration has enriched her musical repertoire. From her early career, Ella's evolution is evident in her ever-changing yet consistently captivating musical style. She seamlessly transitions between genres, always pushing boundaries. This adaptability has allowed her to remain relevant and beloved over the years. Ella's live performances are electrifying, offering fans an immersive experience. Her stage presence, combined with her vocal prowess, leaves audiences mesmerized. Each concert is a testament to her dedication to her craft and her unwavering connection with her fans. Certain tracks have become fan favorites, resonating deeply with her audience. These songs often reflect universal themes of love, loss, and self-discovery. Their enduring popularity highlights Ella's ability to touch hearts and create timeless music that speaks to generations. Ella Landley's personal life is a tapestry of experiences that deeply influence her music. Her lyrics often reflect intimate moments and personal struggles, giving fans a glimpse into her soul. Her authenticity resonates, making her music relatable and heartfelt. Ella's philanthropy speaks volumes about her character. She actively supports various causes, using her platform to raise awareness and funds. Her charitable efforts extend beyond monetary donations as she frequently engages in community service and outreach programs. Fans and fellow musicians find endless inspiration in Ella's journey. Her resilience, creativity, and dedication to her craft are motivational. Stories of her overcoming adversity and staying true to her artistic vision inspire many to pursue their own passions. Ella's musical style is a melting pot of influences. She draws inspiration from a diverse array of artists and genres, blending them into a unique sound. This eclectic mix has helped her create a distinctive musical identity that sets her apart. Ella's music videos are a visual treat. Each video is a carefully crafted piece of art, enhancing the storytelling of her songs. The creativity and attention to detail in her visuals have captivated audiences and set new standards in music video production. Behind the scenes of Ella Landley's most famous tracks, you'll find a whirlwind of creativity and meticulous attention to detail. From late-night studio sessions to spontaneous bursts of inspiration, every song is crafted with passion and precision, revealing her dedication to excellence. Critics have lauded Ella Landley's work for its innovation and emotional depth. Her unique sound and profound lyrics have earned her accolades from top music reviewers, who praise her ability to connect with listeners on a deeply personal level. Ella Landley's impact on popular culture is undeniable. Her music transcends genres, influencing fashion, film, and even social movements. Her iconic style and powerful messages resonate with audiences worldwide, cementing her place as a cultural icon. Fans of Ella Landley are incredibly dedicated, often expressing their admiration through creative tributes. From fan art to cover songs and heartfelt letters, these homages celebrate her influence and highlight the deep connection she shares with her audience. Ella's unreleased tracks are a treasure trove for fans, offering glimpses into her evolving artistry. These lesser-known songs capture raw emotions and experimental sounds, providing a deeper understanding of her musical journey and hinting at future directions. Ella Landley's future projects are shrouded in mystery, leaving fans eagerly anticipating her next move. Rumors swirl about a new album that promises to push musical boundaries even further, blending genres and introducing innovative sounds that will redefine her already iconic style. Ella Landley's legacy is one of transformation and influence. Her music has not only topped charts, but also touched hearts worldwide. She's inspired countless artists, and her contributions to music will be remembered for generations, cementing her place in history. Quirky facts about Ella Landley add charm to her persona. Did you know she writes lyrics in her favorite cafe? Or that she collects vintage vinyl records? These little details endear her even more to her fans. Ella Landley recently shared a heartfelt message with her fans. She expressed immense gratitude for their unwavering support and promised exciting new ventures ahead. Her genuine connection with her audience is a testament to her humble and appreciative nature. Love Ella Landley? Don't miss out on exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insights. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel now and stay updated on all things Ella Landley. Dive into her world and discover what makes her a musical legend.